We saw this home kind of on a whim. I just stopped by an open house on my drive home from work one day and immediately fell in love. Knew that it was the sort of thing that with a little bit of work, we were going to get it kind of really shined up. The house itself is from 1820, 200 years old. We knew the challenge was going to be heating and cooling the house. So we knew we wanted to replace the windows.
The process was quite detailed from start to finish. We landed on the Marvin Ultimate line because of its design capabilities.
We had a lot of neighbors in our old neighborhood that had replaced windows and had a pretty good sense of what worked well in a historic home. So the Marvin name was already kind of on the top of mind for us.
So with this project, we were able to not only meet the design aesthetic, but we were also able to navigate the energy efficiency that the homeowner was looking to have.
Yeah, JB Sash really differentiated themselves pretty early in the process when we started reaching out to different window contractors. We were relatively new to the area, so just responsiveness, informing us about how to go about the process of purchasing windows, how it was going to work. We ultimately replaced over 60 windows in this house, and there was a lot of measurement, remeasurement, and making sure that we got everything right. And Chris at JB Sash did a really great job of kind of walking us through the process, answering questions we had, and helping us figure out kind of what we didn't know when we got started on this. And that was a big differentiator for us.
JB Sash really takes the consumer first. We will not take a ton of your time during the initial consultation. We'll be thorough. We will envision exactly what you're hoping to see out of this project from start to finish.
I would say now that we've seen the final product, what really stands out the most is how seamlessly they integrate into the house. I think we were a little worried with new windows on an antique 200-year-old home.
The partnership that JB Sash has with Marvin enables homeowners to complete their vision of what their home should and will actually look like. And with Marvin's quality, these windows are going to last for generations.